After the mass, then come the dismissal. You know what I decided to do? So I have decided to give this particular show that I named after the mass, then come the dismissal. And on this particular show, what I wanted to be doing is actually to be actually taking us closer, taking you guys closer to understand or to being aware what it takes to be successful and how actually to apply those particular stuff to actually be successful, whether in online or offline, it doesn't matter, especially when it comes to online, specifically when it comes to this particular online marketing. So I just decided to be actually giving this particular training out. It will be like a kind of discussion, me and you, or something like that, and I'll be showing you something that actually will be blowing your mind on how to get closer to whatever you desire to have on this particular life. I didn't know what if you get it. You understand? So it come to my mind. What come to my mind? I didn't know what you guys, your denomination or probably your religion is calling this particular stuff. I mean your religion or your denomination. I don't know what they are calling this particular gathering that you are doing in the service of God, or probably as in you are doing the service of God, something like on the Sundays or Saturdays, depending on the day of your gathering. You understand me? So, but for my own denomination, we are calling it mass. You understand? So it comes to me that actually the reason why we gathered, whenever we gather to actually serve our God, is actually to serve Him, to glorify His name, and actually number two stuff is actually to receive His divine blessing. In other words, the spiritual blessing. So the question now is actually after receiving those blessings, what happened? In other words, when there is mass, when we are gathering, when we're in this particular celebration and praying, and we have gathered and praying to God or whatever one that your denomination is actually doing. After then, in other words, we believe we receive divine and spiritual blessings by God. What actually happened after then? Because for our own after the mass, then we dismiss from that particular mass where everybody go to home and go to whichever area they wanted to go. So let's assume that it's something that you guys are gathering on Sundays or something like that for your own service to God. The question is within that particular gap, what is actually happening? In other words, after that particular mass, then come the dismissal. On that particular dismissal period, till the next mass or till the next gathering, what is actually happening? In other words, what I wanted to actually bring on this particular idea is when you receive those particular spiritual gifts from the divine, from God or from the universe, whatever you call it doesn't matter. You understand me? The question is, what did you do with those particular gifts? In other words, what did you do with those particular blessings? Did you actually manifest that particular blessing to the physical world? You understand me? And if you did, congratulations. So you have to more cause to actually bless the name of God and praise God. But if you not do, the question is why? What happened in between? What happened after the dismissal? Because after mass come the dismissal. Then after dismissal, what actually is happening between what are we using that particular gifts or whatever knowledge you are acquiring, either you receive spiritual gift, what are you using to be doing? Or let's assume you purchase any training or any course, you a membership in any place. When you learn whatever they are teaching you or whatever somebody is teaching you, or you are reading book or you are going to school, after then what did you do with what you learned? Did you actually use it to manifest what you wanted in life? If you are doing it, probably I believe if you are doing it, you're on the line of that particular call that you have actually been called. But if you are not doing it, the question is why are you not doing it? And why are you wasting those particular knowledges that you are acquiring from the books you are reading, that particular spiritual blessing that you receive from the mass? Or from whatever you call the gathering, and then all if you get it, what are you doing with it? Are you using it to actually making this particular face of the earth beautiful, to be good and to be a place that people will live in a harmony? Is it what you are using it for? If that thing is what you are using it for, are you manifesting what that particular spiritual gift you are receiving from God? Are you manifesting it? Is it coming physical true to physical? That's what I mean. Because actually it exists and there is a gift given unto you every blessed seconds of the day. The question is, what are you doing with it? What that particular thing you learn, what are you doing with it? I don't know whether you get it. Are you using it to manifest whatever you want in life? Are you using it to actually make the face of the earth to be beautiful, to be good? Are you using it to actually make this life to be amazing? Or Probably did you like dump it and you are not making that particular use of whatever you have actually acquired or either in knowledge or whatever it is. So this particular show, I just wanted to actually take us step by step, and actually probably it might be something that might be coming something like once in a week, I don't know, or whatever, probably on Sundays or something like that. But I have to give out a video like this few minutes video that will actually take you guys to the next level of being awareness of what it takes to be successful online, because to be successful in life, not just on online, because if you know what it takes to be successful and you take action based on that particular stuff, probably I believe that you will see that particular success you are looking after. I don't know if you get it. So understand. So that is why I just decided to be giving this particular training. Actually, I call it after the mass, then come the dismissal. In other words, after that particular celebration, after whatever we receive from the spiritual gift we receive from God, there is a time of dismissal. Then come the dismissal. The question is, what are you doing within this period or dismissal before you get to the next mass period? Before you get to the next mass day? Again, this applies to you after the learning. What did you actually, in whatever area you are learning, whatever it is, after the learning, what did you gain, as in how did you apply what you learned from what you learned to actually manifest whatever you wanted to manifest? So this is not just only for the mass, but the term actually come out so that the name of the show actually come out so that it will actually help us to get to to the main thing we are looking after. So understand me? So without wasting your time, I just promise myself that this is not the trend that will be taking time, because we have to be taking it one after the other. So it will be a few minutes video clip. Without wasting your time, we have to actually round up, because this particular video is just an introduction of this particular show. Again, I will see how it look like. Again, one thing you have to do is regardless of wherever you are watching this video, if you are watching this video on YouTube, then what you have to do is just subscribe to our channel, and you will see a bell notification. Just click on that particular bell notification so that if there is any new video we upload to our channel, you know you'll be notified about that particular video. Again, if you are watching it from the Facebook or any social network, just look around, you see where you can comment about whatever you wanted to comment about this particular idea. I don't know what, if you get it. Again, if you wanted to actually master step by step on how to do online marketing, you will see a link either up or down or by the side, depending on where you're watching this video. On the description, you will see a link that you use to join our training. Sure, understand me. Currently, we are in Global Freelance Academy. Probably tomorrow we might be in another one, but actually the link has to be always close to wherever you're watching this video. So without wasting time, I'm wrapping this particular introduction of the after the mass, then come the dismissal show. This particular introduction, I'm wrapping it up, and the next particular day, in next particular video, let's actually look into another thing. I will see you then or inside Global Freelance Academy. Thank you and bye.